Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue where you're looking to pause feature updates in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would personally suggest would be to go ahead and try and actually open up your update notifications and see if you're able to disable it right through the main settings UI. In order to do that, you just would go ahead and left click on the start button, type in Windows Update. One of the best matches should come back with advanced Windows Update options underneath settings. So you see where I'm hovering over my mouse cursor, you just want to select advanced Windows Update options. So there should be an option to temporarily pause updates from being installed. So if you're currently in the insider ring here, it'll only be 7 days. If you are a non-insider, it'll be 35 days as you see on my screen here. So once you have that, you just would toggle this to the on position to temporarily pause updates, and if you want to turn it off, you just would toggle it to the off position. So pretty straightforward process through there. If you close out of here, if for some reason you don't see that option, if you're running Windows 10 Professional, Enterprise, Education, or something higher, I'm going to show you guys how to go through the local group policy editor as well. So if you want to look into remove this feature, you want to go type in local group policy. One of the best matches should come back with edit group policy. You want to go ahead and left click on that. So again, this is if you're looking to actually remove that ability. So let me just drag it down here. And I personally suggest collapsing the user configuration folder. So just left click on the little arrow next to the user configuration to collapse it. And then underneath computer configuration, you want to expand the administrative templates folder. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the dropdown. Do the same thing for Windows components, so expand them one as well. And then there should be a Windows Update folder. Scroll down a little bit. Just left click on that one time. And now on the right side there should be something that says remove access to pause update feature. So you might have to scroll down a little bit. Right here, so remove access to pause update feature. If you want to go ahead and double click on that. So if you want to disable pause updates, you want to select the enabled option, and then you want to go ahead and left click on apply and OK. Close out of here and restart your computer, and hopefully that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.